Happy clappy! Reptiles and crawlers, come and play. Let's learn their names in a fun way. Snake!
Snake slither away.
Snake no legs today. Some are safe but some can bite. Snakes can scare us day or night.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Lizard quick and small.
Lizard runs on the wall. Scaly skin and a tail so long, hides in rocks where it belongs. Crocodile.
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 Snaps a wide.
Crocodile swims with pride. Loves the river, loves the sun. With giant jaws, it's never done. Turtle, turtle, turtle slow on land. Turtle shell so grand.
Walks so slowly, rests in the heat. Turtles make life calm and sweet.
Chameleon.
Chameleon.
Chameleon, change your hue.
Chameleon, red, green, blue. With sticky tongue, it eats a fly. Color tricks before your eye.
King cobra, king cobra.
King cobra raised tall.
King cobra, hood and all. The longest snake with venom strong. Don't go near, just sing this song.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle flippers wide. Sweet turtle, sea turtle loves the tide. Swimming fast in ocean blue. Strong and steady, passing through.
Frog. Frog.
Frog jumps so high. Frog croaks nearby.
Lives near water, skin so smooth. Leaping legs in jumping grooves.
Snail. Snail. Snail slow and neat.
Snail, slime on feet.
Carries a shell upon its back. Leaves a shiny silver track.
Millipede.
Polypede.
Millipede, many legs crawl.
Millipede, tiny but tall. Hides in leaves when the day is bright. Creeps around in the gentle night.
Earthworm.
Earthworm.
Underground.
Earthworms dig around. Helps the plants by making soil.
Little worms that never spoil.
Leech.
Leech.
Leech, stretchy and thin.
Leech
Sticks to the skin. Lives in water, crawls so slowly. That's the way the leeches go.
Slug.
Slug.
Slimy and free.
Slug, no shell to see. Comes out when it rains all day. Slides and wiggles on its way.
Termite.
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 Tiny.
Termite chew wood tall.
Build big homes, a tunnel maze. Working hard in secret ways.
Crab.
Crab.
Crab sideways crawl.
Crab claws so tall. Lives by sea and hides in sand. Strong and tough with claws so grand.
Grub.
Grub.
Grub baby in white.
Grub hidden from sight. Eats the roots beneath the ground. Chubby little grubs are found.
Komodo.
Dragon.
Komodo.
Dragon.
Komodo.
Dragon big and slow.
Komodo dragon claws that show.
Biggest lizard in the sun. On hot islands they have fun. Skink. Skink.
Skink shiny and small.
Skink dig and crawl.
Short little legs, tail so long. Hiding places where they belong.
Python.
Python.
Python skin.
Python slithers in. Wraps around the trees so tightly. Silent hunter in the night.
Scorpion.
Scorpion.
Scorking princess stare. Scorpion tears so long. Close on night with stinger hide. Careful when it passes by.
Slider.
Spider.
Spider.
He dots claws.
Spider wipes so low.
Patch the beds with skanky plants. Adding homes where they are fed. Crawl and slither, jump and play. We learned their names in a fun way. Reptiles and crawlers, big and small. Now we know the names of all.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.